Hello guys, today in John's kitchen we'll make lemon roasted chicken wings. I love chicken wings, so I had to do it. I have 29 ounces of chicken wings, whole chicken wings. What I'm going to be doing, the tip of the chicken wing, I cut it off. I will separate the rest of it. I will cut it in the joint, okay? And that I will do with the rest of the chicken wings. The tip of the chicken wings, if you want, you can save it. You can make a chicken broth with that. Make it on the sauce. You use the broth in the sauce or whatever, okay? We already cut the chicken wings. I'm going to be making a lemon marination for the chicken wings. I have a quarter cup finely diced onions, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon chopped cilantro, half teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon ground black pepper. You use whatever pepper you want. You want white pepper, use white pepper. Quarter cup lemon juice, that's about 1 lemon. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1.5 tablespoons Parmesan cheese. The Parmesan cheese, this I leave it to the end. What I'm going to do, all these spices, I'm going to mix them, and I'm going to mix it with the chicken wings. That's going to be the marination for the chicken wings. And I'm going to let it marinate for about 45 minutes. And I'm going to cook it in the oven at a 450 degrees temperature. Now I will marinate the chicken wings for about 45 minutes. For the chicken wings, I will make a side dish, cauliflower rice. So we are going to make a yellow cauliflower rice. The ingredients for that, I have in here 17 ounces cauliflower. I'm going to shred it, the cauliflower. I have in here quarter teaspoon turmeric, quarter teaspoon paprika, quarter teaspoon black pepper, ground black pepper, half teaspoon salt, 1.5 tablespoons chopped parsley, 2 minced garlic cloves, half a cup finely diced carrots, 1/3 of a cup finely diced celery, quarter cup finely diced onions. The first thing we're going to do is to shred the cauliflower. I shredded the cauliflower, looks great. Now we can start cooking the yellow cauliflower rice. I will do first, I'm going to heat it up a little bit oil in this pan here. I'm going to add the vegetables and saute the vegetables together. Then I will add the spices and the parsley. And at the end, I'm going to finish cooking the cauliflower in it. We just kept cooking a moderate heat. We kept cooking the cauliflower and it's ready. I don't want it overcooked, I would say I want it almost al dente. I just want to heat it up, that's all. The chicken wings are looking nicely. I browned it up. I put it low broiler for a while. Nice color. Now I'm going to turn it around and keep cooking the other side. The chicken wings are already nice brown on top of it. It's already brown both sides. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sprinkle on top of it a little bit Parmesan cheese. For the chicken wings, we'll make a dipping sauce. But we are going to make a dressing, an Italian dressing. Ingredients: cup of mayonnaise, 2 minced garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons chopped parsley, half tablespoon chopped oregano, fresh oregano, half tablespoon fresh thyme leaves, 1 tablespoon fresh basil leaves, 1/3 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 2 tablespoons vinegar. I'm going to mix first the olive oil with the lemon juice, vinegar. I'm going to beat it. I'm going to add it to the mayo, whip it fast, and then I add the rest of the ingredients, and I finish mixing it good. I beat it up too. Here we have a creamy Italian dressing. Okay, now it's the time to serve. I'm gonna serve one dish. Here we have some chicken wings in there. Now I'm gonna put the dressing that we made, the creamy dressing. I have in here, I have the cauliflower rice. Yellow cauliflower rice. I'm gonna Put a little bit there. And to finish it, I'm going to add a little bit black beans to it. And this, there we have a nice and beautiful dish. Same thing I'll be doing with this other one. Okay. Very nice, excellent. We put Parmesan cheese on top of it. It looks great. If we want, we can sprinkle a little bit more on it. All right? And that's a very nice dish. I made the other dish the same way, but the only difference, I like a hot Italian dressing too, so I put some red pepper seeds on it, so that I have a nice chicken wings that I can dip it on this sauce, on this Italian dressing that I made. Okay. Well, my friends, I'm gonna see you next time with another delicious dish. Ciao. Bye bye.